Alright guys, it's DIY Arch. I got something for you. Have you ever wondered if you could jump your car battery with your house outlet extension cord or something? As a matter of fact, you can. You got to buy one of these. This thing will jump your car and it'll also charge your battery. So you'll want to plug this in. You'll want to plug this into your outlet. Once we get going here, that's the last thing you do with this one. And when you do that, make sure none of these are touching. So if you want to go jump your car, you have a setting on here. It'll tell you to go to 10 amps. You'll press 10 amps on this. You'll go up to your car. You'll put the positive to your battery. You put the ground to your chassis, wherever that may be. If you don't have a spot, then just put it right to your ground. It'll tell you to wait a couple minutes until the light shows up, and then you'll be able to crank your car over after you plug it in, of course. And then once that's done, just unhook all this and you're done with that. But now, if you also had a battery that you wanted to charge that was at your house and it wasn't in your car, you can also do that with this. So on that situation, you have a battery that you want to slow charge. Maybe you're going to take your camper out, or your boat runs on a small battery for the little propeller thing. Then you could charge this overnight with one of these. And it's the same thing. Go positive, positive. On these, you don't have no ground or nothing in chassis, so you just ground it right to this. Put this thing on 2 amps. And then you plug this in, you leave it plugged in overnight, and what that is, it doesn't give it a massive boost of energy, and it just slowly trickle charges it, pretty much like your telephone. The other one is kind of boosting it like a supercharge to get your car going, and this one is just a nice slow charge, so it has a good solid charge at the end of the day. All right, guys, that's how that goes. Go ahead and like, subscribe, get the notification, show everybody about this cool little tool, man. Yeah, so, you might not have nobody around, but you do have a house cord that you can use, and you can plug that sucker in, and you can get yourself back on the road with one of these tools. Like, you don't need jumper cables or nothing. You just need that bad boy right there. All right, guys, we'll catch you later. Peace.